We are 7Hugs. We are passionate about connected home and expert in hardware, software, and product design. Like you, we love tech, and it's now all connected and smart. But every single device comes with its own mobile app or remote control. What if there was a simple way to control everything? Meet Smart Remote, the most advanced control system for your home. Smart Remote gives you the ability to control any device via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or infrared. Simply point at the device you want to control, and Smart Remote screen adapts instantly, like magic. We have also integrated your favorite services. You can point at your door to order an Uber, or at your window to check the weather. The possibilities are endless. Smart Remote comes with a charging base and 3 room sensors which are used for indoor positioning. Setup is super easy. Just place the sensors in the room where you would like to use Smart Remote, and that's it.